collections are a fun thing to start generating. You can see we have some collections now here that we've been collecting over time, and now when I'm looking for some cute food, I know right where to go. And I'll show you how you do that. First, you go back up to the menu, click on the collections link, and you can add a collection right here. You can see all the collections we have. It's time, I guess, to add a Christmas collection. So here will be my Christmas recipes that I really like. You want to make that public so that other people can have the benefit of seeing your list. You want to just click on this pen over here, and you can add an image to your collection. Just find an image out on Google or on our website, wherever. Right click on that and copy image address, and then paste that right here, and you'll have yourself a nice Christmas picture. Click done, and then make sure to click save. And now when we go back to my page, I should have another collection in my collection section called Christmas, and there it is. Now how do I start filling that up with recipes? If I want to use recipes that aren't currently on this platform, I can grab them on the internet, and the way you do that is by going over here to the menu and clicking on the bookmarklet link if you haven't already done it. And you have a collect button there you can grab and drag and drop it right up to your toolbar section in your website, in your browser. And then when you're out on the internet and you come across a recipe that you really like, let's say here I see one that's for German pancakes. That looks really good, so I'd like to collect that, and so I'm going to go to my collect button and click on it. It'll give me some options of images I'd like to use. Pick the one you like. It'll automatically populate a template for your recipe, and you can add more information here if you like, but you don't have to. And then just send it for review. It takes about 24 hours. The next day it'll show up on your page. Go back to your page, and under recipes you'll have that German pancake recipe. It'll also have a collect button right down here in the right hand corner. When you want to collect one of these recipes or put it into a collection, just click on the collect button, choose the collection that you'd like to use. In this case, this is a pasta dish, so I'm going to put it right there in my pasta, and there you see the Save to Pasta button comes on, and then you can close it out. Obviously, once you have a collection created, as you're searching through different recipes and you see one you like, you can grab it and throw it in your collection. But in the meantime, let's say I'm going to look for Christmas food up here in the search bar. So I'm going back to my home page, and in the search bar I'm going to see what kind of Christmas food we have out there. So there we go. Let's take a look. The best Christmas punch recipes. That looks pretty good. Let's grab that one. So you just click on the collect button, and there's your list of different collections. I'm going to check that box next to Christmas, and it just said up there your recipe has been saved. So now I can close that, and that's in my collection. I'm going to grab one more. Let's find another one that looks very delicious. A lot of desserts out there for Christmas. Oh, these gingerbread homes are always a fun thing to do. So we'll grab that one. You can, I opened it. You can collect it once it's open. By scrolling to the bottom of the recipe and clicking on collect, or you can just collect it off of the thumbnail picture that's on your home page. Here's my Christmas collection, and it says Save to Christmas. So I'm ready to go. Go back to my collections, which are found on my homepage. And right there, collections. And now when I open my Christmas collections, I'll see the recipes I started collecting. And there you go. Now you can open those up. And you can make your collections as general or as specific as you like. You might want to have just Christmas desserts. You can save the same recipe in more than one collection. And the neat thing is, when you click on public, someone else might come across that recipe and it'll show them the collections that recipe has been saved in. And if they like your collection, they can follow it. And then whenever you add anything new to that collection, they'll get notified and they'll see it in their homepage and in their river inside their My page.